This is how I keep the clothes and laundry organized while living full-time on the road. I own a business specializing in RV renovations and repairs. And while I'm doing those RV renovations, sometimes my family and I live in them. So we're constantly on the go, and sometimes we have to switch our stuff in and out of the campers. We also like camping out of tents. That means all of our stuff has to be portable and easy to move around. So to keep all our clothes organized and easy to transport, I use these plastic bins. You can find all of these at Costco. There's a 4-pack of the small ones for $9.99, and the big ones come in the 3-pack for $15.99. It's on sale right now. And this is how I fit all of them in one bin. The sides close, so it locks into place. And these are the baby shirts, so I fold them up to where you can see each and every one organized. That way we can just pull it out and he's ready to go. And I do the same thing with his bottoms. So you have all the pants on this side and all the shorts on this side. I guess it helps to have severe OCD. Follow for more full-time RV living tips.